Hello friends, Mike Feeney here with the Union Labor Advisory Network here in Edison, New Jersey at the Carpenters Training Facility with Charlie Plant, Coordinating Director for Big Picture Learning, to learn a little bit more about what's going on with Big Picture Learning and this particular project going on right here in New Jersey.
Yeah, so Big Picture is partnering with the union to develop an integrated path line from middle school to post-high school graduation for kids who love to work with their hands and for whom a trade is a chosen appropriate path to a good life. And on the flip side of that, it provides the workforce developments that the unions are going to need moving into the future. So it's kind of like a program where human development intersects with workforce development. So it's affording youth the opportunity to have a fulfilling life doing work that has meaning for them because it's something they like to do. And it affords the unions the opportunity to get a trained, skilled workforce coming up, given that so much of the union workforce is going to be leaving the workforce very soon. And so I spent 30 years as a house painter, union, ran my own business. I've also been a high school principal for 20 years. I'm in a doctoral program. So there is no dichotomy between working with your hands and your mind. And people seem to forget that the demands of doing something well is highly engaging for cognitive skills. So it's a win-win for everybody.
Yeah, no, I'm so excited because these training centers are universities, right? I mean, these are like the best of the best, and to get a chance to go through all of them, and we'll showcase some of the stuff today as well. It's inspiring because these high school students do have an opportunity to go from high school into a career,
right,
a really well-paying career with benefits within the unionized construction field across industry.
Right.
And again, technology has enhanced all that as well. So, I just see that construction tech and all these enhancements really getting, we're in an evolution type stage right now. It's really exciting.
I got stats for you.
Got some stats? Let's hear them.
For any high school cohort, let's say the class of 2025, out of that cohort, only 30% get a college degree within 6 years of graduation. That means 70%, this is nationally, 70% of high school kids are going into the workforce. So our schools preparing kids for the workforce. And how do you prepare someone for the workforce? You let them work. You let them work. So that's what we do. And then a couple more. Tradespeople report one of the highest ratings of job satisfaction of any group, higher than CEOs, higher than therapists, and also a very high rate of home ownership, which builds intergenerational wealth for their families. So it's a great way to go.
Excited to be working with the higher learning crew in New Jersey with this guy, Charlie. Look out for more information. Excited to kick this off and do some really incredible work.
Thank you.
You got it, my man. You got it.
Thank you.
All right.